Hi guys, this is Maryam from Crochet Tutorial, and today we want to learn how to crochet this pattern. To get started, grab your yarn, make a knot, and start chaining. Your chains should be a multiple of 5 plus 2. For example, if you have 10 chains, add 2 more chains at the end to have 12 chains. I made 20 chains to demonstrate, and at the end added 2 more chains. Now I have 22 chains. Skip the first chain and make a single crochet into the second one. Chain 4, skip the next 4 chains, make 1 single crochet into the fifth one. Chain 4, skip the next 4 chains and make a single crochet into the fifth one, and repeat this process to the end of the row. And this is what we have at the end of row 1. Row 2, turn your project and make a double crochet into the very first stitch. My first double crochet in every row is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Into the chain 4 space, make 4 double crochets. Chain 1, skip the next single crochet and make 4 double crochets into the next chain 4 space, and repeat this process to the end. At the end of the row, when you made your last 4 double crochets into the last chain 4 space, do not chain 1 and make 1 double crochet into the last single crochet. This is what we have at the end of row 2. Row 3, you can chain 1 and turn your project, or like me, just turn your project. If you crochet too tight, you need to chain 1 and turn your project. And if you crochet normally, you don't need to chain 1 and turn your project. Make a single crochet into the very first stitch, chain 4, make a single crochet into the next chain 1 space, chain 4, make a single crochet into the next chain 1 space, and repeat this process to the end of the row. At the end of the row, when you made your last 4 chains, skip the next 4 double crochets and make a single crochet into the last double crochet. Our last double crochet is our first double crochet of row 2, which was a single crochet plus 2 chains. Make your last single crochet into the second chain of it in both loops to have a nicer and cleaner project. And this is what we have at the end of row 3. And from here, repeat row 2 and 3 to get the desired length. And this is what we have at the end. Hope you'll make beautiful things with this pattern. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it to your friends, write your comments down below, turn on post notifications, and support me. See you in next videos. Bye!